so I cannot see.
What's going on, guys? Boy, Nelson Trout here for Trout Adventures. Today, guys, we got a train coming. Today, guys, I'm here with Marcos and Memo. And today, guys, we're here in Benson. Rail fan, we got a Westbound Intermodal coming, Union Pacific. You guys gonna wait with the engineer?
Wow, that has more than
Two lead intermodal.
How long is this thing?
Very long. Those wheels spin though. It's a raccoon. it's raccoon graffiti. Base or stack train. Up route. Expo Logistics. EMP. High Q. What? Wow, look at this. Just coming around that curve. Yeah. Look at that. Intermodal wheel cars. Oh, CSX. Wow, you're really slowing down. Yeah, he's definitely slowing down. Wow. He's really slowed down a lot. Look at that trailer. Oh, there's the end. He's really slowed down. And there is the end. So silent. Whoa, red, what the? Red Fred. So now, fellas, she is off into the west distance. So, hope you guys did enjoy that. If you guys didn't, be sure to go down and punch the subscribe button. Also, punch the bell to be sending new videos. Also, down there, go and like the video. If you guys like it, show me that you guys enjoy these real fan videos, and I'll make sure to do more of them. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends and family. In the meantime, that's going to be it. Good luck on your ventures. Travel safe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.